Greetings, everyone. Today we are delving into a captivating exploration of media influence, uncovering the intricate layers that shape the relationship between communication and human behavior. So, buckle up as we navigate through fascinating revelations that challenge the once widely accepted, all powerful media paradigm. We begin by revisiting the famed Martian Invasion Panic of 1938, a beacon of magic bullet theory that proposes immediate, short term, uniform effects among the masses. This incident had seemingly affirmed the concept that media messages could penetrate minds, prompting widespread reactions. However, as brilliant scholars like Paul Lesserfield and Herta Herzog delved deeper, a more nuanced picture emerged. It's crucial to understand that the panic scale was not as colossal as initially portrayed. Factors like contextual influences and incomplete exposure to the broadcast had influenced the collective reaction. The societal backdrop of the looming possibility of war with Germany, as reported in news media, added layers of complexity. Research showed that some individuals gripped by fear interpreted the broadcast as a German invasion, not a Martian attack. Moreover, the media's role in amplifying the widespread panic was scrutinized. While a significant number experienced fear to varying degrees, it's essential to debunk the sensationalized narrative of mass hysteria. Reality painted a more nuanced portrait. No rampant chaos, no mass suicides, but rather a mix of reactions ranging from mild apprehension to momentary distress. These critical inquiries form the foundation of the powerful media put to the test paradigm. Scholars systematically examine the magic bullet theory through scientific studies, attempting to reproduce presumed effects in controlled environments. Surprisingly, these attempts often fell short, challenging the once steadfast belief in immediate and uniform power of mass media. World War I and II propaganda came under renewed scrutiny, with scholars like Carl Hovland reshaping the narrative. The notion of passive audience being injected or shot with media influence was discarded. Instead, the inoculation theory emerged, emphasizing that a prepared audience could resist persuasion more effectively. The concept of media's singular dominance was replaced with the reality of complex interactions. As we journeyed through the Roosevelt presidential campaign of 1940, scholars Lesserfield, Burleson, and Goddard uncovered fresh insights. Media, they found, had more to do with reinforcement than drastic change. The concept of the two-step flow model was introduced, revealing the influence of opinion leaders who actively sought out media and shared their informed perspectives with others. This intricate web of discovery led to the abandonment of the powerful media paradigm. Lesserfield proposed the minimal effects theory, recognizing that media is but one variable among many. Human interactions, social connections, and personal experiences have more profound influences than once believed. It's not a uniform magic bullet, but a complex interplay that shapes human perceptions and actions. So, the belief in the all powerful media paradigm was challenged by a rigorous scientific inquiry. The Martian invasion panic, once touted as evidence of media's immediate sway, offered a gateway to understanding the dynamic interplay between communication and society. As we embrace the evolving landscape of media studies, let us remember Burleson's poignant words. Some kinds of communication on some kinds of issues, brought to the attention of some kinds of people, under some kinds of conditions, have some kinds of effects. The journey continues, uncovering the intricate tapestry that binds media, human nature, and societal dynamics.